Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a salary increase negotiation letter. What is salary increase negotiation letter? A salary increase negotiation letter is letter written by the employee or candidate to negotiate the amount of their pay, income, earnings, commission, salary, wages, wage remuneration, annual review, or salary raise with another party, usually a representative of the employer, such as their manager. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a salary increase negotiation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you must write your personal information. You must write your full name. And write your home address. When you write the home address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also add your contact information like phone number and email address. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient of this letter. Write the full name of the recipient. Mostly, this letter is addressed to Human Resource Manager. And write the occupation here. Under it, write the company name. And write also the address of the company. You can mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you finished, you can start the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, show your excitement about the offer of joining the company. Here, you must mention the company name as well as the job position you applied. You must mention these two even if you are a current employee or either candidate who are accepted by the company. In the second paragraph, you must not mention about salary at all here. Instead, if you are a current employee, mention what kind of significant achievements or contribution you give to the company. And if you are a candidate, mention the achievements in your previous company. In this example, the writer explains how valuable and big contributor he or she was in the previous company. The writer mentions the period of experience in working like over 10 years. And don't forget to mention what field it is. It should be the same field you are accepted in the new company. After that, mention what kind of achievements they are. For example, your previous company might have a new program and you were the one who made it successful. Of course, you can mention it here since your contributions are significant. While mentioning them, don't forget to write details like name of program, your role, what department, and so on. And convince the recipient how you really gave the big contribution like you are a valuable asset to their company. This is really important to make it convincing. In the third paragraph, write the reason why you are writing this letter. Of course, you must state clearly that you want to discuss more about your base salary. Write that it is a must for you before signing the offer. And you should do research before it to find out the average salary of the job position you applied. And make it specific based on country or city or certain region. In this example, the average salary for deputy marketing in New York is between $150,000 and $200,000. After mentioning this average salary, you can then finally ask your salary to be increased. It is highly recommended to ask the minimum amount based on the average. If you ask for the maximum one, I myself would kick you from my company, he. And remind the recipient again that you have the experience and qualification which match to the salary amount you asked. And the last, thank the recipient for their offer. Don't forget to show your excitement to hear from them. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a salary increase negotiation letter step by step. I hope the manager grant you the wish. Good luck.